Hello guys, welcome back to Short Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows 10 photo app is not working and how to fix this app. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go here in the start and go to settings, and now from the settings you have to navigate to apps. You have to select this, and from here you have to click on apps and feature. This is the top one, and now from here you have to scroll down a little bit and you have to go for Microsoft Photos. You have to scroll down and you have to select Microsoft Photos. Now you have to click on this and go for advanced option. Now from here you have to scroll down a little bit and you have to click on reset. Go for reset, and this will take a little bit time. So as you can see that if this app isn't working right, you have to reset it. So this is the solution. Do a reset, and once after reset is completed, we can go for repair. So just wait for a few seconds, and also you can go for repair. You can also click for repair, and both will complete its sections, and once after that most probably the issue will be completely fixed. So this is about how to fix Windows 10 photo app is not working on your PC and how to fix this up. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.